Hello coffeeholics, welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you instant coffee recipes, and this is going to be vanilla latte. One of my favorite latte drinks is vanilla latte. So why not enjoy your instant coffee but make it more exciting adding vanilla into it. So it doesn't mean that if you're using instant coffee you cannot make a smashing vanilla latte. That's what I'm going to show you today. Two different ways. In my book, The Basic Barista, I have two recipes or two methods of preparing instant coffee drinks. How are the two ways different? The first way is using evaporated milk as my creamer, and the other is using non-dairy creamer, something like Coffee Mate. I'm using Coffee Mate here. For the coffee, we are making use of instant coffee. This one is Nescafe Red Cup. You may use any instant coffee that you prefer. And then we are going to use condensed milk. This is an important ingredient for this recipe. And for the vanilla, I am going to use Torani French vanilla. It's just that I don't have Torani's vanilla. You may use regular or you can use French vanilla. Okay, so we are making use of the same vanilla syrup for both the different types of drinks. I need hot water, 1/2 cup or 4 ounces. And to this, add 2 teaspoons of instant coffee. Add the equivalent amount of non-dairy creamer, also 2 teaspoons. Use a milk frother to combine. This will make sure that your drink is smooth and creamy. Okay, there you go. Add 1 ounce of condensed milk. Stir to combine. Finally, add vanilla flavor. I'm going to add 1/2 ounce or 15 ml, 2 pumps of my vanilla. As I have shown you in an earlier video, what I do is I put them in the cup, put it in your serving glass, use the milk frother to combine them more. So there you go, very smooth, very creamy vanilla latte using instant coffee. Final touch is to add ice. Fill it to the top with ice. And we have our first vanilla latte using instant coffee and non-dairy creamer. One down, let's make our second one. For the second one, I'm using a different method. This time, I am going to put 2 teaspoons of my instant coffee into my serving glass and 1 tablespoon of cold water. 1 tablespoon or 1/2 ounce of cold water. And then here, we are going to use the upside down Dalgona way. So use a milk frother. And the idea here is to make it really, really thick and smooth and very, very foamy. And it turns into caramel brown. Okay, and as I always say, this one is your upside down challenge. It shouldn't pour over. Okay, perfect. That is perfect. Now, let's add all the other ingredients. For this, I am going to use the same amount of condensed milk, 1 ounce of condensed milk into my mixture. And then 1/2 ounce of evaporated milk. If you're using milk syrup, that is equivalent to 1.5 ounce of milk syrup. Okay, there you go. I am going to add half an ounce or 2 pumps of my vanilla syrup. Okay, so all that, stir to combine. It is very thick, very creamy, very foamy. And finish it off with 1/2 cup or 4 ounces of water. There you go. 2 different ways of preparing our vanilla latte using instant coffee. Well, there you go, Coffeeholics. 2 delicious recipes for vanilla latte using instant coffee. Some do not have non-dairy creamer in powder form available in their countries, so I gave you an option. Both of them are equally delicious. Take your pick. Well, that's all I have today. If you have any questions or would like me to cover anything in my future video tutorials, do let me know. In the meantime, don't forget to click that subscribe button for more of these video tutorials. Stay safe. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.